just fine before I met you. I drink too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay.
Hey, what's up you guys? It's Nikki and today I'm here with my boyfriend Daniel. And I have food in my teeth. Today I will be doing Grinch makeup on him. It's going to be very fast motion because we got to hurry and do this. So I'll do as much explaining as I can, but a lot of it will be fast motion. Just like all my other makeup videos. And they'll be fast because I don't like doing long effects videos. So yeah, let's get off the video.
Focus. So I approach slowly. Will it get out of focus?
Get away. Get back to where you were.
Why? My eyes are so pretty.
Go back where you belong. All I did was do the hairspray. It did not tease at all because your hair is so, like...
You didn't tease it much.
Well, I didn't
I don't think it needs more hairspray. I think it needs more tease.
It's fine. I'll just leave it like this. Hair will just be super pretty. Just kidding. That's all he's getting because I don't have time.
Look at this hair sticking up.
Don't worry.
No, don't. Ah, you got it in my ear.
I'm going to start off by using this green and this Wet n Wild paint palette, I guess. And I will be using just a normal sponge. Oh wow, it's not worth this. Using there it went, a brush. FYI, if you buy this, it's not the best.
Hey, it's still out of focus a lot.
Okay, you know what? I was trying to be thrifty. Screw it, I'm going to my magic palette.
Ooh, this one feels better too.
Yeah, this one's expensive, the other one's not. Oh my god, double video. It's worth buying, real things. God bless you, sir. You do a Scoopy boy. Scoopy boy here. And a Scrappy boy.
Are you mixing some?
Nope. But it's hard to dig this into the square palette, so.
Look like the mask. Oh wait, that's another Jim Carrey character.
Stop. Give me your neck, boy.
Give me that neck, boy.
Now I'm going to use this Mary Kay translucent powder.
I look like the Hulk, actually.
And set his whole face. By setting this also, since I'm going to use a lot of powder to do the contouring, this really helps me because it doesn't smear or blend in this way. It keeps itself a matte base to set upon. I'm going to be taking my Lorac Pro Matte palette and using this black. I'm going to be taking my eyeshadow and marking where I want his new eyebrow to be. Right now I'm going in and just putting in all the shadows, but I will go back and make everything more defined. Scrunch up your head.
I forgot how many.
I forgot how scrunchy you could get your head. Sorry, not meaning to laugh. Ew, don't roll your eyes back like that. Ew, Daniel, stop. Daniel, stop. You know what this is gonna look like in fast motion? Can you not do that?
That's why I'm doing it. People are gonna think it's funny.
Now to just define the lines, I'm gonna go over everything deep with a eyeliner. Stop doing that.
That looks spooky.
I need. So I hope you guys like this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see me next. Don't forget to subscribe and go check out my vlog channel because this is Christmas inspired, where I'm doing all 31 days of Vlogmas and he's starring in it all the time. But yeah, I'm doing Vlogmas over there, so don't. On the end card it will say my vlog channel. My vlog channel is Nikki Taylor Vlogs. So yeah, I love you guys so much. I will see you guys on Saturday. Peace out.
Life is up here, but you comment below. And the comments will always become common motivation to promote your show's next episode, so your brain knows to keep going even though